Hello, 21. We need to factor this bad boy. So, lots of ways to do it. The most painful way is this, but I know most of you guys, this is what you'll do, so I'll do it too. Yay! Is do our little diamond problem. So remember, you do have to multiply top and bottom to get that, and then you just put the 24 down there. So 12 and 12 are the ones that would work. So I say I'm going to go ahead and rewrite my middle term with the 12 and the 12. And I'm going to factor things out. So I have a 4x, and I have 4x plus 3. And I'm going to factor out a 3, and I'm going to left after with 4x plus 3. So this is one term. And this is the other term, which, ladies and gents, are exactly the same thing. And so this, my dear people, is the answer. All right. Let's see. Number 22. Choose the equation that fits the graph. Well, it's going down. So that's out. It is at -2, 3. So remember, it's not that. It's opposite of what's inside. And it is there, so the x is the opposite, but it is the 3. And I really don't think we need to go any further. That would be the answer. Ooh, division. I like division. Let's do a little box. Me and the box are friends. So we'll go ahead and put all this bad stuff in here. All right, I'm all ready to go. First step, always put this little guy right here. And then start working. So we have 4a cubed will make that happen. And that's what, 12a cubed. I only want 8 of them, so I need to get rid of 4 of them. And -2a squared will make that happen. And then I have -6 of them, but I want 2 of them, so I need 8 of them to, is that right? Yeah, to make that happen, and then 4a will make that work, and then that will be 12a. But I need to get rid of a lot of that, so I need to get rid of a whole bunch. 26 will end up making that a -14 and -13. So now I'm going to stop for a moment and just kind of see. I have 4, 2, 4, 13, so we're good. We're in the right realm. And then to finish it off, that would be -39. Now here is where it all comes down. So let's just look. We have positive and negative, so those are out. Positive again and the negative. So we're really down to, is this number here going to be a +6 or a -6? Well, if I make it a -6, I'm going to get not -33. But if I make it a +6, then when I combine those two, I get a -33. That is how you finish strong. Woo! 24. Let's see what we have. So, I to the 37. I know different teachers do this different ways, but I'm not very good at memorizing things, so I like to just keep it simple. So I really, the key thing is I know that I squared is equal to -1. So I want to figure out how many I squareds are in 37, and there are a lot. 37 divided by 2 is, so 18 goes in there, and then I have one guy left over. Well, that means
Elise Melendrez, please come to the guidance office. Elise Melendrez, come to guidance.
so that's just fantastic. All right, so even number of negatives will be positive because they're all going to match up and be positive. And so really what we have here is a positive I. Again, your teachers may teach you different things, but that is a method that will work for always. All right, oh my gosh, I don't even know what this looks like this far. So I have 25. We've got 2 inequalities of mayhem. And we do have that these graphs of the lines are the same, And these graphs of the lines are the same. They're just different shadings. So what I first want to do is look at this one. So that is down at -4 and up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Down at -4, down at -4. Okay, so that is all of them. That wasn't very helpful. So now we're going to go ahead and look at the next one. So that one is I start up at 1 and I go up, which is not what that's happening. But here I go up 1 over 2, here I go up 1 over 2, and here I don't do that. So I'm down to these two, and now I need to look at the shading. So for this one is my graph that starts down here, and I want to have things that are greater than that, which means I want things above, and that is not where I have things shaded. Here, I want things that are greater than it. That is the part that's shaded. And then this one here is I want the things that are below that. So that is the part that's shaded. So this would be our